explain glacial motion. Why Los Angeles don't drop into the ocean. I can't unfold the layers of mystery or piece together the tragedy of history. Cause those lucky suckers, they don't have to work. Big 3D billboards and big 30-foot Smurfs. And everybody wants to be naked and famous. Everybody wants to be just like me. I'm naked and famous. And I met a poet, said she didn't like the smell of it. Then took her clothes off in a restaurant for the hell of it. I met a DJ who lived in seclusion. Reality and sobriety were her only delusions. And those lucky bastards, they didn't have to work. Big 3D billboards and big 30-foot Smurfs. And everybody wants to be naked and famous. Everybody wants to be just like me. I'm naked and sign on the Sunset Strip, and you can send your friend a postcard. It ain't worth the trip. Everybody wants to be naked and famous. Everybody wants to be just like me. I'm naked. Everybody wants to be naked and famous. Everybody wants to be just like me. I'm naked. Everybody wants to be naked and famous. Everybody wants to be just like me. I'm naked.